What if I told you he is 75 years old? But he made one decision: to move every single day. He started walking 30 minutes daily. Consistency changed everything. Bodyweight squats rebuilt his leg strength. Strong legs make you look younger. Push-ups restored upper body power. Muscle tone reversed his weak look. Core training fixed his posture. Posture alone makes you look 10 years younger. After months of discipline, he looks stronger than most 40-year-olds. If he can do it at 75, what's stopping you? He rebuilt his upper body strength. One controlled rep at a time. Core training fixed his posture and protected his lower back. Flexibility makes you move younger. Stiffness makes you age faster. After 2 weeks, his posture completely changed. His muscles slowly regained tone. Fat around the waist reduced. He didn't just look stronger, he felt powerful again. After 1 month, he felt 15 years younger. His legs became powerful again. Strength replaced weakness. His chest and shoulders looked firm. His frame looked years younger. Core strength reshaped his body. Posture erased years from his appearance. After 2 months, he moved like a 50-year-old. His energy shocked everyone. He looked alive again. Fat around the waist decreased. Definition slowly appeared. Strong shoulders change your presence. Presence changes how young you look. 3 months later, he didn't look 75 anymore. He looked stronger than most 45-year-olds. Without surgery, without shortcuts. Age was never the real problem. Inactivity was. Consistency beats motivation every single time. Your body adapts at any age if you challenge it daily. At 75, he rebuilt his body from the ground up. If he can do it at 75, what excuse do you have? Start today.